Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Zeno Vibes. Today, we're going to talk about something super important that affects us all: time. We all know that time is limited, but sometimes we need a little reminder to appreciate it. As someone who's been there, done that, and learned from their mistakes, I want to share a powerful lesson that might just change your life. I remember when I was in college, I was like many of you, constantly glued to my phone, scrolling through social media, watching YouTube videos, and playing video games. I didn't realize it then, but I was wasting precious time on things that didn't matter. I'd spend hours watching a single video, or scrolling through endless feeds, thinking I was relaxing. But in reality, I was just avoiding my responsibilities and missing out on opportunities. You see, time is like a river. Once it flows by, it never comes back. We can't rewind, pause, or replay it. The more we waste it, the more we regret it. I know I did. I remember getting close to deadlines, panicking because I had too much work to do, and then spending hours cramming to finish it on time. It was a vicious cycle of procrastination and stress. But there was a turning point for me. I realized that I couldn't afford to waste any more time. I started to think about all the things I wanted to achieve, all the experiences I wanted to have, and all the people I wanted to meet. I knew that if I didn't start prioritizing my time, I'd never be able to achieve my goals. It was a scary thought, but it was also liberating. So I took a step back, and I started to plan my day. I made a schedule, set reminders, and eliminated distractions. I stopped checking my phone as soon as I woke up, and I started focusing on my goals. I discovered that time management wasn't about being a perfectionist. It was about being intentional with my time. Now, I'm not saying it was easy. It took time, no pun intended, to develop good habits and break old ones. But the more I focused on using my time wisely, the more I achieved. I started to see the world in a different light. I realized that every minute counted, and that every decision I made had consequences. So, what can you do to start valuing your time? Here are a few tips that worked for me. First, identify your distractions. Are you a social media addict? Do you get sucked into YouTube videos or video games? Once you know what's holding you back, you can start to eliminate it. Second, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve in the next month, 6 months, or year? Write it down, make a plan, and start working towards it. Third, prioritize your time. Focus on the tasks that are most important and do them first. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize your tasks into urgent versus important, and focus on the ones that matter most. Fourth, learn to say no. Don't take on too much at once. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your goals, and yes to the ones that do. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Remember that everyone makes mistakes, and it's okay to slip up. Don't be too hard on yourself when you make a mistake. Instead, learn from it and move forward. In conclusion, time is the most valuable resource we have. It's limited, and once it's gone forever. Don't let distractions, procrastination, and regret hold you back from achieving your goals. Start valuing your time today, and watch how your life transforms. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your time and start living the life you deserve. Remember, every minute counts, and every decision you make has consequences. Value your time and make it count. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to Zeno Vibes for more motivational content and hit that notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Let's make the most of our time and achieve our dreams.